Morning students, welcome back children. So in the previous one we started our fourth chapter, that is a positive thinking. Okay, so let's continue with this chapter, positive thinking. What is given in your textbook? Let's read the chapter. Okay, now see children what is given here. Positive thinking. Every crucial experience can be regarded either as a setback or the start of wonderful new adventure. Okay, crucial means the failure experience, you can say that. It depends on your perspective, your point of view. Okay, said by the Mary Roberts Reinhardt. Every crucial experience, every bad experience makes you a more strong person in your future. Okay, and a European shoe company once sent two sales representatives to Australia to explore the possibilities of starting business among the Aborigines. It means the inhabitant people. Okay, inhabitant people, those who are not staying at one place, that is the Aborigines. Okay, now see, one of the representatives out of these two sent this message back to the company: no opportunities here. Aborigines don't wear shoes. They are not wearing the shoes. Okay, the inhabitant peoples, they are not wearing the shoes. The other one also sent a message. It reads thus: awesome possibilities here. Aborigines don't wear shoes. There are two ways of looking at things. Understood? There are two ways. The two representatives sent the message to the company in two ways. So there are two possibilities of seeing this message. There are two ways. Okay, what you looking at the things, a positive way and the negative way, what you are thinking, and that makes all the difference in life. Two ways. The two ways means the positive way or the negative way, that will be makes your life very different. If you are having the positive thinking in your mind, you can do anything, and if you are having the negative, it means there is a failure of your work. Check your perception. What is 1 plus 1? The one example is given to you, that check your perception. What is 1 plus 1? Some are saying 2, some are 11, and some are infinity. So it means there is a difference of the seeing the way or the thing, what different what we can say, that is our point of view of seeing the things, that is the positive way or the negative way. Columbus had carefully planned his voyage, which led to the discovery of America. He was a man of positive thinking. However, when the voyage went on for days and days without any sign of result, the sailors threatened to mutiny. But Columbus did not turn back. Okay, even when he cherished hopes failed to materialize. Then, on the 69th day of his voyage, just before midnight, Columbus saw a spark of fire in the west. It was fire's sure sign of land. The voyage was a huge success. Columbus had discovered a new continent. Okay, Columbus has discovered a new continent because of his because of his positive thinking, he reached his destination point. That is the power of positive thinking. Your perspective, your point of view, whether positive or negative, had a great impact on the decision what you are making. Your decision determine and shape your actions. These actions will determine the result you create. What you creating, that is the main actions. Your positive thinking is an attitude that enables you to make a difference and succeed. A positive attitude helps you cope with the ups and downs of every day of your life. It makes you an optimistic one who is able to avoid worry and the negative thinking. If you adopt optimism as a way of life, it will bring about the constructive change in your life completely. Okay children, so be positive in your work, in your field, everywhere. If you should be positive thinking in your you are having the positive attitude, but sometimes you are not showing that one. The greatest discovery of this generation is that human beings can alter their life by altering their attitudes. William James, said by the William James. If you adopt a way of thinking positively early enough, you will bring constructive change in your life. It will make you happier and more successful. A study reveals that in 85% case of job selection and promotions are made on account of the candidate's attitude, and 50% of them are recruited on the basis of their intelligence and knowledge. Means the positive thinking or the attitude what you are showing in your job, the maximum 85% people getting the job because of this attitude only. Okay, and the other 15% of their intelligence and knowledge, and that means almost 100% of the present day. Okay, and education prepares students only about the 15% of the job available. In order to qualify for a job, you must work overtime on forming a positive attitudes towards work and people. Happiness must be just your first objective, and not only your own happiness but also of others, and happiness should not be taken for granted. We ought to be the grateful to whatever contributes to the making of our happiness. It is relevant that here to recall the story of the little girl who, after tea party thanksgiving prayer was said, added a personal prayer of her own. When asked what that extra prayer was for, the little girl replied, "That was to thank God for my appetite." Okay, what is the meaning of appetite? It means your positive attitude. Okay, positive thinking is about much more than just being happy and displaying a upbeat attitude. Positive thoughts can actually create a real value in your life and help you build skills that will make you smile last much longer. Experience of positive emotions like love, joy, contentment, etc. make you see more possibilities in life and open your mind up to more options to solve problems. Similarly, when you focus on the negative emotions of fear, anger, and stress, your brain closes off from the outside world and you are prevented from seeing the various options and choices that surround you. Positive emotions, by broadening your sense of possibilities and opening your mind, enable you to build new skills and resources that can provide value in other areas of your life. So children, be positive always. Okay, don't think any negative thing in your mind, so that your success chances is less. Okay, so when you focus on the negative emotions, always there will be anger, stress, and your mind will be completely closed. You can't do anything the right in your life. Always thinking very negative things in your life. So be positive, and your emotion should be positive. Your sense of possibilities and opening your mind, everything should be good in positive way. Okay. So children, read the chapter carefully. You will understand about the positive thinkings what is given here. And today I am sending you that last chapters fill-ups and the meaning. Children, I am not sending you any question answers, because in the upcoming exam this fill-ups and meanings will come only. And who said this from your chapters, or you have to study properly. And children, you have to write all the meanings and the fill-ups in your copy. Okay children. Children, in your description box in your video, in downside description box is there. So when you click the arrow sign, you will get one link. When you open the link, you will get the notes of there. Okay, I am not sending through the WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you.